Creating a ServiceNow account is the first step towards utilizing its powerful IT service management platform. Here's how to create a ServiceNow account. Access ServiceNow website. Visit the ServiceNow website and locate the option to sign up for an account. Click Sign Up. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to initiate the account creation process. Fill out registration form. Complete the registration form with your personal information, including your full name, email address, and any other required details. Choose username and password. Select a username and create a secure password for your ServiceNow account. Ensure your password meets the platform's security requirements. Verify email. After submitting the registration form, ServiceNow will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Complete account setup. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to complete the setup of your ServiceNow account. This may include setting up security questions or customizing account preferences. Log in. Once your account is successfully created and verified, you can log into ServiceNow using your username and password.